Hi, boys and girls. Happy Tuesday. I hope you're doing your best to stay safe and stay home. Today, we're going to talk about sentences. We will be reviewing simple sentences, compound sentences, and complex sentences. My first question to you is, what is a sentence? Correct. A sentence is a complete thought. It contains two parts. What two parts does a simple sentence contain? A subject and a predicate. You're correct. Who can tell me what a subject is? A subject tells me who the sentence is about, who or what the sentence is about. The predicate tells me what? Their action. Very good. So today we're going to first review a simple sentence. A simple sentence is also called an independent clause. That means it can stand on its own. It doesn't need any other help. Okay? It contains a subject and a verb and expresses a complete thought. Scott plays a game with his friends. Scott is your subject, plays is your predicate. So I have a complete sentence. It's an independent clause. Let's look at compound sentence. When have you heard the term compound used before in school? Correct, when you're talking about a compound word. And we know that a compound word is when you put two words together to make one. So today we're going to talk about compound sentences. A compound sentence is when you put two sentences together to make one. But because there's so many words, when you put it together, you have to use a glue word. And we call those words fanboy words. Fanboy words are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Those words help to connect the two complete sentences. Scott was playing a game, so Mary went home. Scott was playing a game is your first sentence. It has a subject and a predicate. Mary went home. Mary is your subject. Went is your predicate. So is your fanboy word. That's the word that's gluing those two together. Now, let's look at complex sentences. Complex sentences combine an independent clause with one or more dependent clauses. A complex sentence always has a subordinating conjunction. It has a conjunction, but it's a different kind of conjunction. We don't use fanboy words, we use awubis words. Awubis words are as, although, after, while, when, until, or unless, because, before, if, since. Now, these aren't all the conjunctions, but these are the most common ones that you will use as a third grader. Okay, so we talked about independent clause. Remember, an independent clause is just a simple sentence. A dependent clause is a clause that needs help. It starts with an awubis word. So we're going to try a few. My first sentence is, Julia ran around the block 5 times. Julia is my subject. Ran around the block is what she did, so that's my predicate. This is a simple sentence. It does not contain any conjunctions. It has a subject, a predicate, and it's a complete thought. Now, let's look at one together. What type of sentence is this? If you want to go to the park with me, let me know. If you want to go to the park with me, let me know. Is it a simple sentence, a compound sentence, or a complex sentence? It is a complex sentence. What word lets you know that it's a complex sentence? Remember, it has to be an awubis word. If you want to go to the park with me, I want to know more information. If makes that a dependent clause. Let me know is my independent clause. So this is a complex sentence because it contains a dependent clause and an independent clause. Let's look at one more together. Ben wanted to go to sleep early, but he couldn't. Is this a simple, compound, or complex? Ben wanted to go to sleep with me early is a complete thought. He couldn't is a complete thought. So this is a compound sentence. What word connects these two sentences? What conjunction is used? But. Very good. Now let's look at our last and final one, and I want you to pay very close attention to this one. It's a little bit different. It says which is a complex sentence. So it gives you 3 different sentences, and you have to pick out the complex sentence. The first one reads, before she went to sleep, Rachel tried to win concert tickets. B, Rachel tried to win concert tickets. C, Rachel had to go to bed, but she tried to win concert tickets first. Let's see which one is the complex sentence. One complete thought, one independent clause. An independent clause and an independent clause. If you selected A, you're correct. Before she went to sleep, Rachel tried to win concert tickets. What is my Awuba's word in that sentence? Before. So before she went to sleep, Rachel tried to win concert tickets is the complex sentence. So let's look at B. Rachel tried to win concert tickets. What type of sentence is that? Is it a complex, compound, or simple? It's simple. Very good. It has one subject, one predicate, and it's a complete thought. Let's look at C. Rachel had to go to bed, but she tried to win concert tickets first. What type of sentence is that? It's a compound sentence. Very good. What is the conjunction that connects those two sentences? But. You're doing very good. Now, this will help you. So if you're at home writing in your journal, try to use the 3 different types of sentences: simple, complex, and compound. See you next time. Remember, stay safe.